ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Ke BJP Kisan Morcha harengkat ke jingat relang bat ke College of Postgraduate Studies in Agricultural Science bat ke ICAR KVK Ribhoi haga khan reuterik upnai nopra arajar arpuwei kala rakhe ke Natural Farming Day haki South Liki District jong ke Jilna Meghalaya kom shibenta ban pensngotho ye ki nongrep ban kiar kat bala naga bapendan kam ye ka dawaisbo Kini ki district ki baka BJP Kisan Morcha kala rakhe ya ke Natural Farming Day ki Kenthup Haribhoi district ha West Jentia Hills ha East Khasi Hills bat Hatura ha kabali shimbenta de ki nongrep nagini ki district Hagani ke jing rakhe ya ke Natural Farming Day Haribhoi kabala long ha kasnong marngar le shimbenta de State Secretary jong ke BJP ka kong Mariang Maring State Vice President ke BJP Kisan Morcha Uparala Tur bat kiwei ki nongelam jong ke BJP Kisan Morcha lembat ki nongrep jong ke Ribhoi district
bala ayangi kene ke jaka ke ba khut ke ba biang hangne ke balong sentar te organic farming gide ki jing thung bat ki jing bam ki bangi thung hi dalade bamde ki bangi chukit ni ki ba shu aidawai ki bangi thung ki bangi rep hi po kalangkha po per demi angne amarngar ki bun ki babun hi gide ki nong rep bat ki ba kham smart chani sa than charung mai i ki don ki nong rep tang ka kerteng bat kim ju rep henry chani ki smart ki rep nadu dang step adu ba mit bat bun ja ki jur ki je thung bat kham tam ha ka tu por lockdown ni sai yun thit bun ki ba sai yun thit jur nang ne na po marngar namar ba ubiang ujur bat bomdon dawai uba ki thung ba ong ki organic bomdon dawai ki ba thung hi ha per la jong.
Say about the monitoring. If we install say 1 to 3 traps in the area where you have grown the vegetable crops, they will attract the insects. Sucking insects will come and they will get stick on the sticky traps. तो इससे आपको पता चल जाएगा कि कीड़ा जो है आपका फसल में आ गया है तो आप जो बायोपेस्टिसाइड्स हमने दिया है इसका स्प्रे जो है आप अपना खेती में कर सकता है ठीक है जी और मास ट्रैपिंग में भी जो है हम इसको यूज कर सकता है अगर इसका प्राइस का हम लोग बात करें तो एक ट्रैप जो है आपको 50 रुपीज में मिलेगा इकोनॉमिकली भी कम है ये देखिए अगर आप इसको छू के भी देख सकते हैं जब कीड़ा आएगा तो इसमें चिपक के रह जाएगा तो इसको आप अपना खेत में लगाइए इससे जो है आपका कीड़ा वगैरह भी जो है आप प्रबंध कर सकता है ठीक है जी तो ये कुछ चीजें आप लोगों के लिए हम लोग कॉलेज ऑफ पोस्ट ग्रेजुएट स्टडीज सेंट्रल एग्रीकल्चर यूनिवर्सिटी उमियाम मेघालय से
Okay, these are healthy product, natural product. These are integral part of our crop cultivation. These are some of the product we have developed with the organisms of Meghalaya. These are bioproduct, okay? And this type of product can save your crop from the pest and disease. And some of the scientists of School of Natural Resource Management, they also develop some biofertilizer, okay? It will also help the crop to, that means get the nutrient required for the growth and development. The method of application is already we have mentioned here and some bulletin we have given. So please follow that bulletins. Okay. So today in today's program, we are going to distribute some of the quality seed where you can apply this type of product as a seed treating agent or you can apply directly in the soil. And if sometime problems may arise at that time you can apply it as a foliar application. So for the details, I request once again you please go through the bulletin. So this will save not only to the crop, it will also save the environment as well as the soil health. So this is my earnest request from College of Postgraduate Studies in Agricultural Science.
Ya trailang bat kano ka jing tawa dong ki paipa. Hanang ka nila ban ya nujor bat kiwai pat kiri kum ka Haryana kiwai ki Punjab kini kiba riustat kiba dule rei yiru na lengba ka jitre sitom kanengi kerhai jakare ni le dakam mokiu batre sitom adu kata-kata rei yale banbe rei kawai apu kan ingkirpat ka sarkar ya donlang katokan nengut ni hangne hapo rai marngan ni don kam baga hamtam taktor lane power tilan ni kiwe